Good morning, viewers. Myself, Nelitum brings you today's news update. The World Sunday School Day was celebrated at Langherang Baptist Church on Sunday. On the occasions, a day-long program was also scheduled.
Robert Rex, lapen Thomas Tom, labahini pensi Sunday School Day arnike itu kata long latum bahini join si pin Sunday School ke dono pirthe adang Assamese Sunday School.
A jointly collaborations of Government Pig Production Center, Pig Breeding Farm Dongkamukam, and Karbi Farmer Association's distributions of sickle farmer awareness was yesterday conducted at West Karbi Anglong. Awareness was given on scientific rearing of pigs and awareness of food supplement and essential maintenance to be carried out. Distributions of sickle farmer awareness program was conducted at Rongkuroy LP School, Ronghang constituency, which was organized by Government PPC PBF Dongkamukam in collaborations with Karbi Farmer Association. During the program, awareness was given on scientific rearing of pigs and how to increase its productions by scientifically giving its food supplement, importance of hygienic environment for the growth of pigs. At the same time, sickle was distributed by Karbi Farmer Associations to the attendees, and from Government PPC, pigs food supplement as well as bleaching powder was distributed. The program was attended by Dr. Harsing Terang, Manager of Government, PPC PBF Dongkamukam, Tingkuing T KFA President, Soron Singh Rongpi, General Secretary, Longki Tiso, Finance Secretary, Robinson Rongpar, Assistant Finance Secretary, and Village Headman British Ronghang. The program was peacefully ended with proper social distance. The BJP Mahila Morcha had its first executive meet at Dongkaching 2 Higher Secondary School on Sunday. Adieu viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.